In this video, we are going to study the naming of cations. There are two types of cations. Type 1 cations, which are monoatomic cations, and type 2 cations are cations with variable charges. Type 1 cations are formed from group 1A, group 2A, group 3A, and a few transition metals by the laws of valence electrons. Examples: we have sodium metal. It forms a sodium cation by the laws of 1 electron. Magnesium is a group 2 metal. It forms magnesium cation by the laws of 2 electrons. Aluminum metal is a group 3 metal. It forms aluminum cation by the laws of 3 electrons. Silver is a transition metal. It forms a cation by the laws of 1 electron. How do we name monoatomic cations? The name of monoatomic cations is the metal name plus ion. For example, this is sodium cation. What is its name? Sodium ion. Magnesium cation, its name is magnesium ion. Aluminum cation, its name is aluminum ion. Silver cation, its name is silver ion. We want to look at the naming of type 2 cations. Type 2 cations are cations which are formed mainly from transition metals. The metal can lose varied number of electrons and form different types of cations. For example, we have iron. Iron can give up 2 electrons to form a cation with a plus charge of 2. The same ion can lose 3 electrons to form a cation with a charge of plus 3. These two cations are very different, and in their compounds, their properties are different, so they have different names. Copper is another transition metal that can form variable oxidation state. When copper loses 1 electron, it forms a cation with a plus 1 charge. When it loses 2 electrons, it forms a cation with a plus 2 charge. So how do we name cations variable oxidation state? Naming of cations with variable oxidation state. Their names are the name of the metal plus the charge on the metal ion in parentheses after the name of the metal in Roman numeral plus ion. So for example, this is an ion cation with a plus 2 charge. What is its name? Ion 2 ion. The 2 is telling us that the charge on this cation is plus 2. If the ion has a charge of plus 3, its name is ion 3 ion. The plus 3 is showing that the charge on the cation is plus 3. We can see copper. The copper cation with a plus charge of 1, its name is copper 1 ion. And when it has a plus charge of 2, it is called copper 2 ion. So wherever any of these cations are present, their name is the name of the metal plus the charge on the metal in parentheses in Roman numeral ion. So in summary, we can look at the periodic table and predict the cations which can form variable oxidation state. So group 1A, group 2A, group 3A. These cations which are present alone in the boxes, it shows that these are monoatomic cations. So is the name of the element plus ion. So we can see hydrogen here. Hydrogen. When hydrogen has a +1 charge, as it is here, its name is hydrogen ion. So that is where we end with naming of cations. Thank you very much for watching.